Here's your chance to buy a brand new 2024 68-foot Fairline Squadron loaded with equipment at a significant discount. Check below for details concerning the price. But look at these European lines. It's a fast European style boat. It's got a beautiful hard bridge. Look at the forward deck, the teak on it, the upholstery, the seating area in the forward area. Absolutely wonderful. Perfect Florida boat. And here's your bridge helm. It's got your barbecue and your wet bar, of course. There's plenty of seating for everyone and all the advanced electronics. Just start the boat ready to go. And balanced stern thruster. Wow. Look at the guest seating with table. Just magnificent. Take her out for a spin. Take her through Miami Harbor. Take her up Fort Lauderdale. Go to the Intercoastal. Take her down to the Keys. Here's your barbecue and wet bar up on the bridge. Look at this view through the back of the salon. Those windows completely open up. Big airy space. There's a nice seating helm next to the helm. Guest seating next to the helm. Lots of seating in the interior of this boat. Beautifully appointed. Lots of guest tables. Windows. You can really see what's going on. And there's your gallery. It's at the same level. Beautiful big gallery. Great English wood fit and finish. Your helm inside. Fully appointed, lots of electronics, big window, down to one of your cabins, and you can see it's a big spacious cabin with a makeup table, and there's the head attached to it with the sit-down shower. Here's another stateroom, fully appointed, beautifully set up, big shower, walk-in shower, and there are twin guest bedrooms also. And like the rest of the boat, the bathroom is appointed beautifully with a full shower. So if you're looking for a fantastic boat, very advanced European design, fully equipped, full factory warranty, all the equipment you'd want, consider the 68-foot Fairline. That's a 2024 with a full warranty. Great boat for the family, quick trips to the islands, cruise the harbors around Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Key West. This is the boat for you. It's got twin CAT C18s, balanced stern thrusters, incredible discount. Check below.